Well, hello. This is Dr. August Dunning, and I do these nifty little beach walks talking about dry fasting. And this one is about what dry fasting is all about. If you're new to this channel and you've never heard about dry fasting in detail before, this is where we get into it. I give these beach walks, I talk about different aspects and health and longevity and strength and all this sort of things. But the first thing to do is to dry fast because it'll catch you up metabolically. What happens as we age is there's an enormous amount of accumulated folded proteins and proteins in cells that don't get digested at night because you're just not long enough in sleep. But believe it or not, you dry fast every night because I bet you don't drink or eat while you sleep. Which brings up the question, why is there sleep? Well, sleep is basically the time when you heal, when you rest, when your body's not digesting things. Digesting takes an enormous amount of energy. And when you stop that, your body can heal. And that's why you sleep. You sleep to try to fix what's happened during the day. And there's a lot, and I get into it in my books. The idea here is that when you sleep, there's 3 phases of autophagy. And you can see in this image, there's macroautophagy that takes parts of cells that are broken, takes it over to a lysosome where it gets ground up into antigenic peptides and amino acids and things to make new cells. Microautophagy, where bacteria inside the cells are encapsulated and brought to a lysosome and dissolved and digested, and debris is expelled from the cell in exocytosis. And the last one, which is chaperone-mediated autophagy, where these big proteins get hooked with a protein, a peptide, and dragged over to a lysosome so they can be dissolved as well. There's another form of chaperone-mediated autophagy called ubiquination, where ubiquitin is tagged onto these proteins and taken over to a proteasome and ground up like a big wood chipper. That's what you miss every night, because chaperone-mediated autophagy only starts at about 8 to 10 hours into sleep. And as soon as you eat, that stops because the chemistry changes. So when you dry fast, the only really difficult part getting started, because you're not going to be thirsty, you're not going to be hungry because you've got plenty of sugar in your muscle and liver, is for about 36 hours until you start transitioning to where you run out of that glycogen, sugar, and you start processing fatty acids out of your fat cells. That's why I like to start a dry fast in the evening, because by the 2-day mark, it's time to go to bed, and I sleep right through it. In the morning, you get up, because you're going to lose some energy in that phase. In the morning, you're going to have your energy back, because the fat cells are being used for mitochondrial ATP production and for plasma glucose. I'll get into that later. But during this phase, you're starving the body of water, you're starving the body of food, and cells stop dividing. But stem cells start going into interphase where, unlike your somatic cells, the stem cells start getting repair. And they're opened up, they activate the PARP and sirtuins and base enzyme repair process to repair the DNA in your stem cells so they're perfect again. Because every cell gets damaged. But when you actually activate stem cell regeneration with a dry fast, you get a brand new crop of stem cells after they've been perfect. And then they can replace the somatic cells that are being digested and taken down during the dry fast. So it just plug the holes with practically immortal cells. Pretty cool. Also, because you're starving the body of water, the parasites that need water can't survive. The toxins building up in the body from all this autophagy makes it very difficult for them to find any place to live. So they're expelled and they're dead. You end up with some blood pressure changes, some blood pressure increases, decreases, depending on what's going on, because you're trying to flush out your capillary beds in your skin and clean them out. And then after it's done, there'll be a little bit of sleepiness or lack of sleep on some nights. Some people experience this, I don't. But after you're done, you just take some electrolyte minerals to Put your potassium, magnesium, and sodium back in place so you don't get edema. And after 2 or 3 days, you drink bone broth and you're much better. You'll feel better. Universally, any aches and pains you once had will be gone. You'll lose about 5 to 18 pounds depending on a 5-day or 7-day dry fast in fat. So that's really the best way to start your weight control program is with dry fasting. Because it gives you this oomph, it gives you this look in the mirror like, wow, I just lost a bunch of weight. And you did. It's subcutaneous fat because your visceral fat is a different issue based on your eating habits, your sleeping habits, stress habits, all that stuff when I get into later on. But that's the way to start. You know, we on this channel have selected dry fasting as a way to start the return to youth and health, because you can't drag around 1,000 albatrosses as metabolic waste and ever get young again, because if food was the thing that caused the problem, how can eating anything else solve the problem? So that's where we sit with this. There's a really cool thing with dry fasting. It's free, you know, and there's a whole bunch of books on this stuff that I've put out. You can see them at the end. You can get a little brief synopsis of what they're about. But right now, welcome to dry fasting. If you've decided to select this as your way of getting back to health and getting your weight under control and all that good stuff, check below to the videos, because I've got lots of videos to talk about dry fasting and may answer a lot of your questions. But it's pretty easy. Just get the book, The Feeding Protocol, Dry Fasting, Rapid Healing and Radical Life Extension, and learn how to do it. I mean, it's almost that simple. For the price of a book, you can return to health. And that's my message. So if this is your first time to this channel and first time considering dry fasting, please do it, because your body will thank you for it. Do something now your body will thank you for in the future. My name is August Dunning, and I'm a Hippocratic doctor, which means I don't prescribe medicine, I prescribe health. Love you guys for tuning in. For my normal viewers, it's good seeing you again. I'm sure you're probably watching this. And for those viewers that are in the middle of their dry fasts, I've been reading your emails, and I'm really proud of you for doing it. And let us know the things that were healed after your dry fast. Write a message, write a response. Click the like button, subscribe, and I will talk to you soon.
Yes?
We have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.